Welcome to the Alchemy Kitchen, where we're going to take some ingredients and transform it into an organic vegan shampoo. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Oh, my hair's so fresh. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Oh, I feel my very best. Woo. Thanks again for stopping by. So today's going to be just a really easy way to make yourself an organic vegan shampoo. Here in the household, everyone uses the homemade shampoo. They love it. I've never heard any complaints. And so it's pretty cool. So grabbing one last ingredient. 1 second. Back. Okay, so I've got unsweetened coconut milk, licorice. I was about to say licorice. I don't know why maybe my body wants that. Anyway, liquid castor soap, just plain, because I'm going to add essential oils, which is lavender and tea tree. And I've got measuring thing like so, funnel, and being that glass breaks easily with others, BPA-free plastic containers. All right, so shake up the coconut milk, shake it, put in a cup of coconut milk. And you can change the amount of ingredient depending on how much shampoo you want to make. I just gotta make enough that lasts for, a week or two or something like that. And it's so much less expensive than going and buying like a $6 small thing of organic shampoo. So I'm just really, really grateful to be able to do this, to be honest. It saves a lot of money on just buying shampoos. So then I'm gonna put in a cup of the liquid castor. Beautiful. Then, depending on smell of preference, I probably do 10 to 15 drops each. I might even add a little bit more of the essential oils because I like it yummy. I mean, honestly, this is going to be about 20 drops. Tea tree. And do about the same. That smells so good. And do the same with lavender. And then I'll take a spoon. And just mix it together. Woo! I mean, you can blend it if you want. But I don't find it really all that necessary. This is really quick. So, like right before I get ready to make dinner, which I'm getting ready to do next, I just took a shower actually, and I realized I was out of shampoo. So I just figured, hey, I'll do a video on it. But yeah, you just mix it up. Begins to get all, if you can see it, it's soapy. Yeah. And I'll smell it and be like, all right, is this the right smell? And so it's not as strong as I would like, so I'm going to add probably 20 more lavender drops and about 20 more lavender. I like it really strong. I like to really feel aromatherapy when I'm taking my shower, So then add in those drops and then stir it up. Oh yeah, that's smelling like, smelling like amazing, like an organic shampoo. It just smells amazing, So we got that part done, smelling great. So, vibe out what you like. Some people like a less scent. Somebody would want more. So funnel into the container. That way save from spilling. That's the whole point of that. And then just pour it into the funnel. Fill your bottles. And what I'll do is I'll put 2 bottles out, and then I just see, like, I normally make just the right amount for 2 bottles with that measurement, but sometimes I might have a little extra or something. In that case, I'll just get another bottle. Yeah, I think this is going to completely fill both containers perfectly. So then I put the tops on them. And like, you can refrigerate it to get it to last longer. So if you make two, what I'll do is I'll refrigerate one of them and I'll put it in the shower. It lasts a good week, 2, 3 weeks. I've never actually seen it go bad, to be completely honest. Even when like the guys, they'll use a shampoo. I have a lot longer hair, so I go through them faster. And it was like 3 weeks or something before they even asked for more. So I've never seen any of it go bad after a really long time. But just in case, you can refrigerate it just to keep the shelf life longer. Again, I don't know what the shelf life is because I've just never really seen it go bad or anything like that. So try it out. I mean, if it smells funk, it smells funk. But normally the oils keep it going pretty good. And so you can shake it up, mix it up, shake it up. And then I'll put one bottle in the refrigerator, one in the bathroom, and boom! You got yourself a quick and easy and pretty inexpensive, you know, because like, okay, so I bought, I don't know, maybe this is like $10 or something, this size bottle. And I've only used a small proportion of it. And so you gotta think 2 to 3 weeks this will last me. And that's like a bottle of shampoo. The other one might have lasted the same long, but that's like $6 to $7 for an organic shampoo put together. So in the long run, I just find this is saving a lot more. And plus, like, I don't want all those extra ingredients. So this is just like a basic, bare, like very organic, simple shampoo that we all love a lot. So it's just quick and easy. I just want to share that with you. Thank you so much for stopping by in the kitchen, the Alchemy kitchen today, as we took ingredients and now we have an organic shampoo. Awesome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, hit a like. If you want to subscribe, woo, hit that subscribe button and the little bell with it. Because that little bell with all notifications, you'll see all our videos and we got all kinds of stuff. So thank you again for coming by. Namaste. Blessings.